Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So today I actually have had one of my goals slash dreams slash things I needed to do before I die happen, and that is purchasing a Toyota Supra. So I finally got a Supra. For those of you who've seen my previous video on how I almost got a Supra when I was 18, now I'm 36, and for my 36th birthday I bought myself a Supra. So just doing I'll do a little b-roll as far as how it looks. I'll clean her up a little bit, but I'll give you guys more detail on how I got it, why I got it, when I got it, where I got it, all that stuff later. But for now, just want to give you guys a little quick glimpse of the car so you see what it looks like, and then yeah, we'll pretty much go from there. This is going to be a very fun car. It's going to be a project. I don't know how crazy I'm going to go, but we'll see in the future. But I definitely got some plans for this. It's currently stock and it's a GE, and I can tell you that with the GE, 200 horsepower is definitely not enough, especially in 2023. So we're gonna bump that up a little bit, and we'll see how it goes. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Much more coming to the channel. We're gonna start doing podcasts. We're gonna start doing car stuff again, and yeah, we got a lot of surprises coming up. So stay tuned, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon. Thank you.
Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. All summer, all summer, $4 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, might be planted. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see my comments, and I see commas, they going down, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is Donda, God's time can't fit on the wrist. Junior wanna have me on my. Move out of the way of my release. Tryna get me off my cues and pitch. Why can't losers never lose in peace? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to